AARM, AARM, Product Matrix Framework. Dear friends, this is your product mentor Vijay Shukla. Today in this session, let us learn about a very important product matrix framework, which is AARM. In fact, product matrix frameworks are always asked when you appear for a product management position in any startup or an established company. So what is AARM? Let us start with first A, which is acquisition. So how do you acquire your customer? How does the customer install your app? How does the customer know about your app? So here there are product matrices like CPC, cost per click, CPM, cost per impression. So typically when we advertise on Facebook or Google, cost per click or cost per impression are the engagement models, or this is how the advertiser gets charged. Budget, conversion rate. So what is the conversion rate? What is the bounce rate for our landing page? The second matrix, which is another A, which is activation. How does the customer gets activated? So to download is one thing. How do we convert him into a customer? How do we onboard this customer successfully or the app user successfully? For this, there is new monthly revenue, the churn MRR. So M stands for monthly revenue rate. So churn is basically customers who have downloaded your app but now they have gone away. New MRR is basically the customers who have downloaded your app and now they are contributing positively to the revenue. New activations per month. So all these are matrices which come under this category, activation. AA, then comes R. So how do we retain? Number of active users per month, churned users in the current month. How many users do we retain for 30, 90 and 60 days? So that is retention. And then M stands for monetization. We are here to do business. This app has to provide positive business and also to earn revenue and profit. So monetization is calculated on parameters like customer lifetime value. So what is customer lifetime value or CLTV? You see the value which we generate from this customer over a lifetime. I obtained an Airtel mobile number some 15 plus years back. I am still their premium telecom subscriber even today. I would have purchased so many additional services via the telecom number, say Amazon Prime or a Hotstar subscription. Higher the lifetime value, higher you can invest in the acquisition cost. ARPU, average revenue per user. What is the monthly recurring revenue? ARR, what is the annual recurring revenue? And what is the new MRR? So these are some of the product matrices. You can remember them with this framework. AARM, AARM, acquisition, activation, retention, and monetization. Thank you for attending this session. I run a very successful product management program. If you aspire to become a product manager, I'll be the one who will train and coach you to take up an important software product management or a software platform management role in the top tier companies of the world. We cover a focused curriculum, we mentor everyone individually, and we see that you succeed in the interview through our intervention and through the intervention of our community. Thank you. See you in the class. Thank you.